Imagine this, a new AI code editor that can replace all other coding assistants in one go. If you doubt, this could be a possibility very soon, or this could have just happened today. If you think about all these code editors we've been using, they all share similar qualities, which is a weakness. They lack something beyond code editing and code generation. This is a great weakness for their business model. More so, if you've been following vibe coding lately, it's been very popular with Casa, Lovable, and Bolt. In particular, Bolt is a web-based AI coding assistant that allows you to build on the web and deploy without downloading any installable IDE like Casa, VS Code, and others. But when things were just settling down, Google has joined this vibe coding and AI coding race and is likely to win. But how? Google just released its version of combined code editor that is web-based and like VS Code. I just tried it out and seems it can build anything from the templates. In the coming days, we'll give it a better spin since once I logged in, I saw this message and I would not access more features. But I was able to do just quite a bit to test it so that I can give you a quick feedback about this new tool. In fact, I was about to go to bed after my last video edit, then I saw this on the feed and had to try it out. This is the new Google Firebase Studio, a perfect alternative to leading vibe coding and AI coding IDEs like Lovable, Bolt, and Casa, though it's a web-based IDE. From the onset, I think it's special since it seems to capture all development environments within one editor. The templates are a good place to start and I like them. I immediately tried out creating a React app and it works and you can even run it. I tried a mobile app and even tried to connect to the Git and everything seems to work. Now let's get to the basic of what is Firebase Studio. Firebase Studio has just been released at Google Cloud on 9th April 2025. It's Google's answer to the AI coding revolution, combining Firebase services with Gemini AI to create what they are calling agentic development environment. Think of it as a supercharged IDE that not only helps you code, but actually understands what you're trying to build. Currently, it's in the preview, but you can access it and try it out with 3 free workspaces. When I tried it out, I exhausted my workspaces and I was asked to opt in for more workspaces. The key features that make it special include the app prototyping agent. Firebase Studio comes with 60 pre-built templates, but the real magic is in the app prototyping agent. Unfortunately, for this video, I was not able to test it because currently it's very busy. But ideally, you can use this feature to iterate through your prototype with simple prompts, and when you're ready, you can deploy directly to Firebase app hosting with one click. The second feature that sets Firebase Studio from its competitors is coding workspaces. Coding workspaces is where Firebase Studio really shines compared to its competitors. What can you do with it? You can write code with Gemini assistants for debugging, testing, refactoring, and documentation. You can import existing projects from Git, GitLab, or Bitbucket. You can create custom templates for your tech stack, build full stack apps with front-end, back-end, and database and AI components all in one place. The next feature is AI agents throughout your workflow. Firebase Studio has specialized Gemini Code Assist agents that competitors don't have yet. These include migration agents that helps you move code between different versions or languages, AI testing agents that test against AI models to find issues, code documentation agent. This creates a wiki style knowledge base about your code. There's also a new app testing agent that can simulate real users interacting with your app. You can give it a goal like find a trip to Greece and it will navigate your UI and produce detailed test results. Another great feature is creating AI-powered apps. Firebase Studio makes building AI features much more easier. This includes expanded GenKit support for Python and Go, access to Gemini models, Imagen 3, and third-party models, the new Gemini 2.0 multimodal live API for conversational interaction. The next feature is data and hosting solution. These are 2 killer features that put it ahead of its competitor. First, Firebase Data Connect is now generally available. It uses Google Cloud SQL. You can generate schemas and queries using Gemini. This supports complex data, relationships, and vector search. Firebase app hosting include Git-centric hosting for modern web apps, manages your entire stack automatically, built on enterprise-grade Google Cloud services, including local emulator and instant rollback capabilities. Firebase Studio isn't just another AI IDE. It's a complete end-to-end platform that covers everything from idea to production. While Casa, Lovable, and Bolt excel at coding assistance, Firebase Studio brings an entire app development cycle under one roof. with Gemini-powered intelligence at every step. That's something I found remarkable about Firebase Studio. This could be a game changer for developers who want to build and ship AI-powered applications quickly. If you're serious about full-stack development, especially with AI features, you need to give Firebase Studio a try, and you need to do it as soon as possible. Let me know in the comments if you have tested it and if you got a chance to test the features that I missed out. And is this the end of Cursor, Lovable, and Bold, or will they adapt to meet the new challenge from Google? If you enjoyed this video, kindly consider giving it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. One subscribe, one like gives me one more step forward to bringing you great content. Thank you, and I appreciate it.